Welcome back to Royal Rides, the home of high-end rides, rugged overlanders, and luxury on wheels. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz Entega Coach 4x4 Class B Motorhome, a refined blend of German engineering, off-road prowess, and home-style comfort packed into a sleek and versatile van. This isn't just a van conversion, it's a mobile sanctuary built for adventurers who refuse to compromise. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 4x4 chassis, the Entega Coach is a Class B motorhome designed for those who dream beyond the asphalt. With its 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engine, producing 188 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque, it delivers strong performance in mountainous terrain, remote trails, and long highway stretches alike. And thanks to the permanent all-wheel drive system with torque on demand, the Coach 4x4 provides outstanding traction in snow, mud, sand, or gravel, making it a true all-terrain explorer. From the outside, the Entega impresses with a sleek aerodynamic profile, enhanced by rugged body cladding, roof-mounted solar panels, Thule awning, all-terrain tires, and stylish black alloy wheels. A roof rack and optional rear ladder add practicality, making it ideal for gear-heavy expeditions. Step inside, and you're greeted by a masterclass in minimalist luxury. The interior is smartly designed, offering space optimization without sacrificing comfort. High-quality materials like faux leather upholstery, real wood cabinetry, and soft LED lighting create a cozy yet premium ambiance. The floor plan includes two captain's chairs that swivel, forming a lounge or dining setup with a removable table. Behind it, the galley kitchen is compact yet complete, with a dual-burner induction cooktop, microwave, solid surface countertops, deep stainless steel sink, and a 3.1 cubic foot 12V compressor refrigerator. The wet bath is an all-in-one enclosed space featuring a cassette toilet, a retractable showerhead, waterproof walls, and even a small storage nook. It's compact, efficient, and designed for life on the go. The rear sleeping area is configured with either a fold-out Murphy bed or twin beds that convert into a king-size sleeping platform, depending on the floor plan. Under-bed storage, overhead cabinets, and smart cubbies ensure there's a place for everything. With R10 insulation, a diesel-powered Truma Combi Eco Plus furnace and water heater, and a 13,500 BTU air conditioner, you're equipped for four-season camping in extreme climates. Tech-wise, the Coach doesn't disappoint. The 7-inch MBUX touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice control puts connectivity at your fingertips. The Coach Control Center allows users to monitor water levels, tank status, and battery power, while multiple USB ports, 110 volts outlets, and wireless charging keep devices ready for the road. On the power front, Entega integrates a lithium-ion battery bank, 2000-watt inverter, and a 200-watt solar charging system, ensuring self-sufficiency during off-grid adventures. You also get 30-amp shore power capability for when you're stationed at a campground. Safety is paramount, and this Mercedes-Benz base delivers. It includes blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, crosswind assist, and a rear-view camera, making even city driving feel stress-free despite its camper configuration. And when it comes to storage, the Coach 4x4 doesn't fall short. The garage area under the bed, roof-mounted cargo box, and modular interior components give you room for bikes, skis, climbing gear, or whatever fuels your adventure. At an estimated starting price of around $189,000, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Entega Coach 4x4 is not just an RV, it's a statement that your home can go where few vehicles can, and look good doing it. Whether you're navigating rocky backroads, winding through forests, or enjoying a peaceful lakeside retreat, this motorhome brings top-tier mobility and full-time living comforts together in perfect harmony. So if you're ready to break free from the campground and travel where the road ends, the Entega Coach 4x4 is your ticket to unmatched independence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Royal Rides for more top-tier motorhome reviews and off-grid adventure rigs. See you in the next ride.